everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a maritime student, a seafarer, or just someone who loves ships, then you're in the right place. So, before we start, let me introduce myself. I am Buslan Vince Joseph T., a maritime student. Today, we're talking about something important, the new technologies that can aid in the compliance to marine environment protection. With stricter regulations in place, innovation is the key to keeping our oceans clean. So, let's check out the latest advancements making a difference. First on our list is the ballast water treatment systems. Did you know that when a ship discharges ballast water in another location, it can introduce invasive species that can harm marine ecosystems? To prevent this, ships now use ballast water treatment system that filter, disinfect, or treat the water using UV light. This ensures that no harmful organisms are transferred, protecting marine biodiversity. Next is the exhaust gas cleaning systems. Scrubbers? No, not the ones for washing dishes. Exhaust gas cleaning systems or scrubbers. It helps ships comply with the IMO's sulfur cap by filtering out harmful sulfur oxides from exhaust gases. There are open loop, closed loop, and hybrid scrubbers. The latest trend, more environmentally friendly scrubbers that minimize water pollution while keeping emissions low. Next one is alternative fuels and energy sources. When it comes to fuel, the industry is moving away from traditional bunker fuel. Many ships now run on liquefied natural gas or LNG, which produces lower emissions, but even more exciting are the emerging technologies like hydrogen fuel cells, ammonia, and biofuels, which could bring us closer to zero-emission shipping. Wind-assisted propulsion is also making a comeback with rotor sails and kite sails, helping ships cut down on fuel consumption while reducing their carbon footprint. Next one is AI and digital monitoring systems. Technology isn't just about hardware, it's also about intelligence. AI-powered monitoring systems are now helping ship owners track fuel efficiency, emissions, and compliance in real time. Automated sensors and IoT or Internet of Things devices provide live data, allowing cruise and shore-based teams to optimize ship performance. Digital twins, which create virtual simulations of ships, allow companies to test and improve environmental performance before making real-world changes. Next is oil spill detection and prevention technologies. Oil spills are a major environmental disaster, but new technologies are improving how we detect and respond to them. Satellites and drones equipped with infrared and radar sensors can detect oil spills early, enabling a quicker response. Autonomous surface and underwater vehicles assist in containing and cleaning up spills, minimizing environmental damage. Additionally, new bio-based oil dispersants are being developed to break down spills more effectively without harming marine life. Next is smart waste management systems. Proper waste management is crucial on ships, and new smart waste management systems are making compliance easier. Ships now have advanced waste segregation and treatment systems that allow for better recycling and even energy recovery. Some vessels use incinerators that beat strict emission standards, while others convert organic waste into biogas to power onboard systems. This helps ships comply with MARPOL Annex 5 regulations while reducing pollution. Next is carbon capture and storage. A groundbreaking technology in maritime environmental protection is carbon capture and storage, or CCS. This system captures carbon dioxide or CO2 emissions from a ship's exhaust and stores them for later disposal or reuse. Some companies are developing onboard carbon capture systems that could significantly reduce a ship's greenhouse gas emissions. This innovation aligns with the IMO's goal of reducing the carbon footprint of global shipping and could be a game changer for the industry. Finally, let's talk about the future of shipping autonomous and electric vessels. Fully electric ferries and hybrid electric ships are already in operation, using battery-powered propulsion to reduce emissions. Autonomous ships guided by AI and advanced navigation systems can optimize routes and fuel efficiency while minimizing human error. These innovations promise a greener and more efficient future for the maritime industry. There you have it. As we can see, technology is becoming an invaluable ally in our quest to protect the marine environment. From ballast water treatment systems to AI and biodegradable materials, innovation empowers us to comply with regulations and preserve our oceans. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Let's work together to keep our oceans healthy and thriving. Thanks for watching.